Cool.
You can fill your own cup.
So heavy.
Nice.
Eli, what do you have there? A toolbox matchup game and puzzle. Your favorite things.
Nice.
Games and puzzles.
You wanted that? Yay!
I got it.
You tell Caitlin, Josh, and Aunt Mary thank you.
Aunt Mary, thank you.
Awesome. What about you? You want to
Thank you.
say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas, Baba.
We promise to send you your stuff soon.
Sorry we didn't get to see you guys. Merry Christmas. Oh wait, I turned it.
I need to open this.
I just forgot everybody's going to be sideways.
I need to open this. I'll open this.
Alright, let me help you.